Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Lego review of Lego Juniors, and it is set 10683 from 2015 to 2017. And as you can see, in the box you get quite a few things in the set. There are 2 minifigures in the set, and also you can offload your mini backhoe digger, and also you get a green bin with spade and broom, and also signs to show construction. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My contact info is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.